Morning, everybody. Jake Schofield here with Schofield Welding or Impact Industrial and Fabrication. Now, let me just kind of explain that really fast to you guys. Schofield Welding is more of our social media, our Instagram, our YouTube, our things like that. Impact Industrial is our HVAC, plumbing, it's our business. So it's our piping business is what that is. And so if you guys are getting on Impact, it's still Schofield Welding. Schofield Welding is now more of a sister brand to Impact. Impact is where we go to all of our industrial jobs, and all of our guys are hired in under Impact. So anyways, that should kind of clear that up. But guys, today, super interesting video I just watched with Grant Cardone. I love that dude. He's probably one of the best. If you're looking to like improve your life, I really enjoy Grant Cardone. So one of the things he said that is, if you want money, he says people are your number one. You need to go meet people. And it is so freaking true. Guys, our success in the last couple of years has not been because we know more. It's because we've met people that we were able to add value to and to create a relationship with them. And then they know that when they call us, they are getting the best we can offer. And they know that when they bring us on a job, we take care of the job. We lower their stress level. We take responsibility for the projects that we do. And they know that in their heart, mind, and soul, baby. So anyways, guys, if you're looking to expand, if you're looking to create a business that is producing money, that is profitable, and that eventually will start to self-propel itself, people are your number one. You have to go meet people. There's no other way around it. There is going to events. There is shaking hands. There's emailing. There's touch points. There's all this stuff you need to be doing in order to create your business. Now, just because you haven't started your business yet, but you're looking down the line, you're kind of looking ahead of the curve, right? You need to realize that that's going to be one of your number one things. So you need to start building those relationships, meeting these people, adding value to their lives, and then you should be in their top recommendation list, right? In their mind, they should think, oh yeah, Impact. That dude knows how to do some piping systems. His guys, number one. They are freaking good. And so that's what I'm always touching and making point of, and like trying to build this confidence in people. And sometimes you can get a job pretty quick, within a month or so, right? Sometimes it takes building that confidence, building that relationship. It can take years. And that's part of your job as a CEO, as somebody that's looking to build your company. You've got to be meeting people. So anyways, everybody, hope that was kind of a helpful little tip this morning. We'll talk to you here in a bit. Be blessed. See ya.